Let's settle in. Whenever you're ready, you can close your eyes. Beginning with the breath. Slowly inhaling the life-giving breath into our lungs, filling up entirely. And then when the moment is right, releasing the breath out through the mouth with a sigh. A few rounds of this breathing together. As we exhale, we release all that has come before in time, entering the present moment together. Clearing our minds from the busyness and the doings of earlier today. Settling into this present moment together. God is our refuge. God is our strength. God gives us the ability to sit quietly together, breathing. With every single breath, every single inhalation and exhalation, by releasing the thoughts and focusing on the breath, we place our trust in God to let God take care of us, for us. Nothing to do, nowhere else to be, just here. Placing our trust in God with every breath. The life-giving breath sustains us physically, emotionally, spiritually. With every inhale, we are renewed in God. God is the breath. We are God. With every breath, we trust in God. With every moment that we dare to drop into stillness, into calm mind, we trust in God. Nothing else to do, nowhere else to be, but breathe. Taking in the life-giving prana, air, oxygen. And then breathing that air, that prana, back out into the world for the benefit of all beings. Through our sacred vessel, we cleanse and purify that air for others. To be of service through our breath. When we inhale, we allow the goodness of God to enter us. We accept that gift. When we can release the thoughts and bring our attention fully to the breath, God fills us. I invite you to say this mantra with me, either within your mind or you can whisper it to yourself. As you inhale, think the words or whisper the words, "I trust in you." And then during the exhalation, the word God. I trust in you, God. I trust in you, God. I trust in you, God. Feeling the mind grow quieter and quieter, more peaceful and more peaceful. Just here and now with the breath. When the mind wanders, which it will at some point, that's okay. Use the breath to redirect your focus gently and with love back to the presence of God through the breath. With every daring moment of breath, we place our trust in God. We surrender the mind that thinks that it knows to the greater truth, the simplicity of being here now. If the breath is not behaving in the way that we would like, if the breath feels any way that we're judging it, being aware of those thoughts of judgment, letting those judgments go, and being with the breath just as it is. It's perfect in this moment. We place our trust in God that the breath is perfect in this moment. The act of surrender is not a big mystery. It's quite simple. It's this moment, this inhalation, this exhalation, outside of time. Enlightenment is here and now. Again, whispering or saying to yourself our mantra. On the inhalation, I trust in you. And then on the exhalation, God. To close our meditation, I invite you to bring your hands together in prayer in front of your heart space. Giving gratitude for this life, this magical, precious life where you are given the opportunity to awaken through the breath. And as you go through the rest of your blessed day, remembering our mantra, I trust in you, God, as we breathe through whatever may come. Namaste.